Bibimbap is a popular Korean dish that has gained popularity all around the world. It is a hearty bowl of rice topped with a variety of vegetables, meat, egg, and spicy sauce. The dish is not only delicious but also has a rich history and a range of health benefits. Bibimbap originated in Korea during the Joseon dynasty, 1392 to 1910. It was originally known as goldongban, which means rice mixed with various ingredients. It was a simple dish made by mixing leftover rice with vegetables and meat. Over time, the dish evolved and became more popular. In the early 20th century, it became known as bibimbap, which means mixed rice in Korean. It was traditionally served in a hot stone bowl called a dalsut, which would cook the ingredients and keep the dish hot. Today, bibimbap is a staple of Korean cuisine and is enjoyed all around the world. It has become a symbol of Korean culture and is often featured in Korean dramas and movies. Bibimbap is typically made with rice, vegetables, meat, egg, and spicy sauce. The vegetables can vary, but commonly used ones include carrots, spinach, mushrooms, bean sprouts, and zucchini. The meat is usually beef or pork, but chicken or tofu can be used as well. The egg is usually served sunny side up and is placed on top of the dish. Bibimbap is a healthy and nutritious meal that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here are some of the health benefits of bibimbap. High in fiber, bibimbap is made with a variety of vegetables, which are rich in fiber. Fiber helps to promote digestive health and can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Rich in vitamins and minerals, bibimbap is made with a variety of vegetables, which are rich in vitamins and minerals. These include vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. Low in calories, bibimbap is a relatively low-calorie meal, especially if it is made with lean meat and served without the spicy sauce. Good source of protein, bibimbap is made with meat and egg, which are both good sources of protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues and helps to keep you feeling full. Antioxidant-rich, bibimbap is made with a variety of vegetables, which are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Bibimbap is a delicious and nutritious meal that has a rich history and a range of health benefits. It is a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet and is a good source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying meal, consider trying bibimbap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.